Hello everyone. In first video we have seen about basic things regarding measurement. Now actual we have to start, that is the first point from this chapter, that is length. First point, length. Simple सी बात है, if you want to calculate the length of anything you can calculate two types of length. One is estimate and one actual length or standard length. See, simple सी बात है, this is the pen. Okay, if you put something, this is the pin. See, this is the pen and this is the pin. If I want to calculate the length of this pen with the help of this pin, then I can just do this 1, 2, 3 and half. I can say the length of this pen 3 and half of दिस क्लिप. इस क्लिप की कितनी है? 3 and half. जैसे हम कभी कभी बोलते हैं कि अगर अपने घर में, सिंपल सी बात है, जब हमारे घर में ये होता है, हम कुछ लेंथ काउंट करते हैं कि अप्रोक्सीमेटली लेंथ हम ऐसे ही, मतलब ये इतना फीट है, इतना सेंटीमीटर है, हम उसको मापते हैं क्या? नहीं. सो लाइक दिस वी कैन कैलकुलेट द लेंथ विद द हेल्प ऑफ 2 points, that is the estimating and standard. Estimating means just we can take the estimate point, means approximately. Just see, suppose I will write here one line. See, like this. सिंपल सी बात है, हम घर पे ऐसे करते हैं कि कभी कभी ये काउंट करते हैं 1, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 2, यानी कि 18. हाउ मेनी फिंगर? 18 फिंगर लेंथ. ये आपने कभी देखा होगा, ये किया है कि नहीं अपने घर पे? ये ऐसा हम क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी एस्टिमेट लेंथ हम यूज़ करते हैं, जो अंदाजे बोलते हैं, मराठी में क्या है इसको? अंदाजे, जो एग्जैक्टली नहीं होती. ओके, लाइक दिस आवर दिस थिंग. ऑल्सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट अबाउट दिस पेन लाइक दिस. यस, दिस इज ऑल्सो, what is that? This is the estimating length. So length has calculating by 2 ways. One is estimating length. ये कैसी होती है? जो आज मैंने दिखाया. जैसे सिंपल सी बात है, इस पेन की और ये इस पेन की हमें लेंथ गिननी है, तो मैं इससे इस पिन से गिनूंगा 1, 2, 3 और 3 and half. दो एस्टिमेटिंग टाइम इसकी लेंथ हो गई कि इसका, ये कुछ चीज़ों से हम गिनते हैं. आपको मालूम है, घर पे कभी कभी आप कुछ चीज़ों के साथ खेलते हैं, यू नो, गिल्ली डंडा. देखा है कभी आपने कैसा होता है गिल्ली डंडा? जब हम डंडे से गिल्ली कहाँ पे मारते हैं, उसके बाद हम उसको मापते आते हैं. यस, दैट इज़ द एस्टिमेटिंग लेंथ. सिंपल सी बात है. अगर यहाँ पे हम मापते ऐसे, ये कभी आपने बहुत बार ऐसा गिल्ली डंडा खेलते समय ऐसा गिनते गिनते आते होंगे, नहीं तो ऐसा ऐसा. यस, दैट इज़ द एस्टिमेटिंग लेंथ ऑफ दैट एक्चुअल थिंग्स. क्योंकि उसमें हम एक ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में देखते हैं, एक्चुअल लेंथ नहीं देखते. ये होगा एस्टिमेटिंग लेंथ. उसके बाद है स्टैंडर्ड. अभी ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट. एस्टिमेटिंग समझ में आया कैसे लिखते हैं? फिर से एक बार देखो, ये है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक मुझे लेंथ गिननी है. आई वांट टू काउंट द लेंथ ऑफ दिस और मेजर ऑफ दिस लाइन लेंथ. देन आई कैन यूज सम डिफरेंट थिंग्स लाइक दिस पिन. लाइक आई कैन पुट दिस पिन हियर. सी हियर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. हाउ मेनी पिन्स आर length of these? 7 pins. Yes, like this we can calculate estimating length. But in standard length you can calculate proper things, that is the standard unit. Standard unit. Now actual we have to start from here. Standard unit for measuring the length. Okay, now I would like to just tell, suppose this is the line. Can you see here? This is the line. See, this is line. I want to calculate the exact length of this line. What exact length of this line? Then how can I calculate? See here, you know everyone, scale. See, this is the big scale I have. With the help of this scale you can calculate the length of actual line. See, I will show you. See here, keep here. See here, up to 38 centimeter here, and then from there you can calculate like this 4, yani 38 plus 4 42 centimeter. How many long this length? 48 centimeter. Like this is the standard unit of measurement. It is in meter. It is in meter, centimeter, meter or centimeter or millimeter. Yum. Like this you can calculate the length of any line or scale. Okay, see, now I would like to show you some different things. Suppose this is the wire. Yes, this is the wire. I want to calculate the length of this wire. I can calculate length of this wire with the help of different equipment, different measurement, like centimeter or meter. How many centimeter or how many meter we can see here. I will show you about this. One equipment is there. With the help of that equipment we can see. Already I explained in previous video some standard units. In that, this is the one kind of standard unit. If I want calculate the length of this wire, see here, here is the first, then you can calculate length of this wire properly. See here, length of this wire up to here. Check it. How many centimeters? 102 centimeters. What is the length of this wire? 102 centimeters. Like our scale, small scale is 15 centimeter. ये जो small scale होती है अपनी कितनी होती है? 15 सेंटीमीटर. उससे बड़ी होती है 30 centimeter. Okay, like this you can easily understand about this measurement. Okay, if you want to calculate the length of this pen with the help of standard measurement, then we can see here. I will show you about this. See here, what is the length of this pen? 13.5 centimeter. How many? 13.5 centimeter. This is the standard unit, centimeter. Okay, I hope you understood about this very well. Meter, centimeter. This is the 1 meter length of this tape. This tape is actual how many meter? 1 meter. Full tape we can say it is 1 meter. So in 1 meter we can get all these things, up to here. This is the 100 centimeter means we can say. Okay, like this you can easily identify the length of any object, anything. If you are getting properly all these things. Okay, I hope you understood about this. सिंपल सी बात, जो भी चीज़ हमें गिननी है, you can measure with the help of some standard unit, that is centimeter and meter. Millimeter it is the different parts, but we can count with the help of meter and centimeter. Okay, you can just see, I will show you again one time. What is the length of this book? This book you can calculate with the help of this scale. See here, I will show you exactly. The length of this book is 27 centimeter. How many? 27 centimeters here. 27 centimeter long. Like this you can calculate any length, any object with the help of scale and different unit, that is tape. I hope you understood about this length. So today we will stop here. Just measure the length from your home. Means many things are available at home, your dining table, TV screen. Then you can count the length of your door, height, you can count. Okay, like this you can just identify how we can use meter and centimeter. So thank you. I hope you understood very well. Thank you.